Hello, what's up guys? How are you? I hope you're all doing good. It's your girl Massive. You're new. If you're returning subscriber, thank you for always coming to check up on this girl. Anyway, I've not been doing long form videos, but it's been a while, but I'm back. I am back, and this video is all about fall colors and fall outfit. I've been collecting a few outfits here and there for fall, and if you follow me in YouTube, Instagram, and YouTube shorts, you know I have been doing a lot of fashion reels here and there. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing you some of the things that I've collected this fall, because it's all about fall. We love fall, we love cozy. So let's dive direct into this video. The first thing is this sweat jacket. I'm sure every girl now in London, in UK, owns this sweat jacket everywhere, because it has been trending. Zara, it's nowhere to be found. Yeah, so but I got one. So this is a jacket that we were talking about. This jacket, I have worn this jacket so many times. I'll attach a clip somewhere above there to show you how I have worn it. I have worn it so many times, and every girl is wearing this jacket, and we love this jacket. It's quite like not a heavy one. I went for like bigger size. It's kind of baggy vibe, giving baggy vibe, but this is the jacket. So if you don't have this jacket right now and it's fall, I don't know what you're doing. We're doing fall colors, and fall colors come with coziness, and this is one of them. Anyway, the second thing that I've collected is another jackets. This jacket, I've been behind this jacket for a while, and I just wanted it. It's not because it's fall, but I wanted it. And I'm gonna show you how I have styled it for that case. So this is the second jacket. I got this jacket from Shein. Yeah, it's from Shein, and the material is so good. Zara has the same thing, but I went for Shein because it was a bit affordable. And of course, I'm gonna attach it somewhere how I've styled it. And I love this jacket. I'm in love with this jacket. This jacket is so beautiful. Anyway, the second thing that I have been collecting is some sweater. I'm sure this sweater is everywhere in everyone's FYP. It's just everywhere. This is the sweater. This sweater, I got it from Temu. Yeah, Temu. It's everywhere in Instagram. People wearing it with a mini skirt. People wearing it with stocking. People wearing it with so many stuff. I've not yet designed it and what I want to wear it, but I have a rough idea of what I want to wear with it. I'm looking to wear maybe with a skater skirt, a black skater skirt, some stockings, some boots, and then some white shirt inside. And yeah, and the sweater right here. So this is the sweater. This one I got it from Temu, and oh my god, the material feels so cozy. Temu, this is really nice. This sweater, every girl is wearing this sweater. I love the color. I love the way it feels cozy. It's not itchy. So if you're looking for something like this, or you've been looking for something like this, because it's everywhere in our FYP, if you're a fashion girly, I got it from Temu. You can get it from Shein or somewhere, I don't know, but yeah. So this sweater, I'm yet to design it. I'm yet to wear it, but soon and soon. So stay tuned. I'll wear it and I'll post a shot of it. So the other thing I've gotten is this two-piece. I got this two-piece because I saw some model who had worn this two-piece. I'll show you how it looks, but I've not really liked it because it looks like a church girl. It's just not giving me the vibe that the girl is giving. I don't know why. I think because I'm a little bit thicker and it will look so nice on a slimmer body. But other than that, this is the two-piece that I've gotten, and the top is a bit long. It's somewhere you can see on the screen. I'll attach how it looks on me, but it's not giving me the vibe that I was going for. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this one or I'm gonna return it. I got it from Shein. The same girl got it from Shein, but yeah, it's not giving me the vibe that I wanted. But yeah, this is, if you're interested or if you love the look, you can shop it from Shein. Really, the material is really nice. It's really like thick and heavy. So yeah, it's really a quality two-piece. It's giving me church vibe, and I'm not a church girl. So the other thing I've gotten is this trouser. I wanted some baggy, I'll attach the picture of the trouser from Shein, how it looks. I was looking for that baggy vibe, like it's like an umbrella vibe, but it has not given me that vibe. I love the jeans. It's heavy, it's good material, but it has not given me that idea, that vibe that I was going for. So, but it's really a good jean. I went for a bigger size because I wanted it to look like an umbrella, like baggy vibe. But I don't know how I feel about it. I just don't know how I feel about it. I'll touch it somewhere. So just tell me on the comment section what you think about this jeans. Should I return it or should I just keep it? Because it's baggy on the waist. Yeah, I'll give it me baggy vibe because I wanted that baggy vibe. But it's not giving me the umbrella shape. So I don't know what to do. Should I belt it? I just don't know. Or should I just pull it up? So just give me ideas of how you can wear this jeans. It's really good. And I will touch how it looks on the model from the shop, how it looks, so that guys, you can give me an idea how I'm gonna make this trouser look or umbrella. But I love it. It's nice material. So if you're good for this vibe, go shop it, girl. Is from Shein. So the other thing that I've gotten is bags, guys. I want coffee brown bags. I want autumn color bags, and I've gotten 2 bags that I really love. They're so sexy, guys, and they were so cheap. They're from Shein. Yeah, they're so cheap. I think if you want to buy, like, if you want to have like variety of bags, you can find so many dupes on Shein that look amazing. That look really amazing, and this is one of them. Just look how this baby looks, guys. It looks so nice. I love this bag so much. And the color is, honey, just look how amazing this bag looks like. I just fell in love with this bag. And then I went for another black one. I went for this bag. I love the way it's like giving suede kinda vibe. And this is, oops, this is how it looks like. So these are the 2 bags that I invested in. And the last thing that I bought was glasses, guys. Every girl is wearing glasses, and if you're not wearing glasses, I don't know, glasses just make the outfit just come together. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Glasses. And they're the glasses that girls are wearing this fall. They're this slim kind of glasses, not the massive ones. So I went ahead and bought 2 of them, and I'm in love. Say in love. This is the first glass. It's coffee brown, and just look how amazing it looks. You ain't telling me anything. Look how amazing it looks. It looks so good, and I just love the way it fits. And this is the shape that we're going for. Okay, so if you don't have these glasses, I don't know what you're doing. Go get them. Go get them, honey. Go get them. The other thing that I got is these black glasses. You see the same shape, and just look. You ain't telling me, period. You're not telling me these glasses don't look amazing. Just look how amazing they look like. I have so many glasses, but these 2 pairs of glasses, they are my best glasses so far. So we love them. Then the last glass that I got, I have to show you that. This maroon burgundy shape glass. I got this because I'm going on holiday, and I really wanted a glass that looks like this. So yeah, it's really amazing. I've had this for a while. I'll put some pictures somewhere how I look with them, because I've worn this one and I love these glasses, and I love the color. Anyway, so these are some of the pieces of fall that I have bought. I've not gone really wild in buying things. I have been limiting myself from buying stuff, because every year I buy stuff. So we're not buying a lot of stuff that we don't need. Anyway, apart from that, I'm also going on holiday. A girl is going on a birthday holiday, okay? And I bought 2. I've been collecting some pieces. I already have summer clothes, holiday clothes. I don't want to go all massive, but I bought 2 more dresses that I really loved, and others are coming from Fashion Nova. But yeah, let me show you. This video will not be a video before me I show you the final clothes that yellow. If you're watching me from Kenya, you know Kambas love yellow, and I'm a Kamba. I am a Kamba. If you're not getting this, is that Kenya has so many tribes, and every tribe has its own color. For me, I'm from the eastern parts. I'm Kamba, and we love yellow, and I go yellow. Anyway, yeah, so this is like a dress. I can't wait to wear this dress. I can't wait to design it. So guys, stay tuned, because I'm gonna be doing a video for my YouTube, and I'm also gonna be doing reels for these holiday clothes. Like we're gonna be doing this time around. We shall be doing this. So please comment below, share with your friends, motivate me. I need the motivation, because sometimes I get demotivated because YouTube minutes are not getting there. This is like a yellow dress. I'm looking forward to wearing this yellow dress on a holiday because the girl has been a big girl and she's tying a big edge. Yeah, anyway, so that is one of the dresses that I loved, that I really wanted to have these for my holiday. And the next one is, where is the dress? I've seen several people who have worn this dress, and I was looking forward to get this dress so much. I want to wear it either for my birthday dinner or just I don't know, going out or somewhere, because yeah, I don't know, but I'll have to wear this dress because it looks good. This is a dress. I love this color. If you know me, you know I look so amazing with this color. This is my color. This is a color in my heart. Okay? And this is how the dress looks like. I don't know if you've seen this dress online. I'm sure you have. Yeah, it's just another, yeah? And the material, I'm not even sure how I'm gonna dress it, but we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna figure this out. Because I don't know how I'm gonna dress this skirt. I think you tie it or something. It's a dress, not a skirt. But this is how the dress looks like, and I love it. I love it so much. I can't wait for you guys to see my outfit on holiday, because this time around I have to do an outfit for days that I'll be away. Okay, I have to do an outfit check for the days I'll be away. So stay tuned, stay around, keep subscribing, keep sharing with your friends, keep commenting. Let's just interact. Tell me what kind of videos you want me to be doing. Like, I love fashion and I want to do this more, but I also want to do other kind of videos, but I don't know how you guys feel about it. I tried vlogs. You guys never loved vlogs. But I don't know if you never loved it. But anyway, I come from a very small town, so I don't have much to do, so I'm not be showing you big stuff. But other than that, that is all for this autumn fall haul for today. So thank you so much for watching. If you've watched till there, you're my girl in my heart. And keep subscribing, share it to your brothers, sisters, and everyone. Just subscribe, just give me a like and tell them to watch my videos, because I need hours, not minutes. I need hours in my YouTube channel. I have so much subscribers, but I don't have hours. Am I that boring? I don't know. But so much, and I'll see you in my next video. So bye.